Good evening, sir and ma'am. First of all, thank you to give me this opportunity to introduce myself. My full name is Sanjay Chandra Das. You can call me Sanjay. I am from Bangladesh, living Dhaka. I have completed my bachelor degree in economics from Tesgao College. Recently, I complete my graduation in social science from Tesgao College. I have been working as a private tutor. Besides, I help my uncle in his shop. My strengths are I am hardworking, self-motivated, and quickly learner and multitasker. My favorite hobby is playing football and listening to music. In my free time, I like to spend with my family because family is important for me. I want to go abroad to build a better career for myself and my family. I believe that working in a foreign country will give me a better opportunity to complete my goal. My goal is supported my family financially and myself. Thank you.